Hey, I'm Michael from DistroMike, and today we're going to be talking about is HHC safe? So HHC stands for Hexahydrocannabinol. It's a hemp derivative made through converting CBD isolate into THC and then converting THC into HHC. So for the most part, I will say if you're consuming a high quality, pure and potent HHC product, it is relatively safe. There have not been any studies with super negative or really any negative side effects of consuming HHC, but there's also not been studies done showing the benefits of HHC. I'm going to say that if you're consuming HHC, you are not going to be consuming it because you want to cure some sort of ailment or fix a health issue that you have. You're consuming it because you want to get high. A few things to look out for. If you're purchasing a product from a gas station, I'd probably not recommend. I'd probably go to a more reputable smoke shop, a local smoke shop that you may know, that you shop at occasionally or frequently, that really only carries high quality, real products. If you go to a gas station or a lower end smoke shop, they may have knockoff products, fake products, just overall lower quality products. So that's with anything. If you consume something lower quality, regardless of what it is, it's probably not going to be as good for you versus if you consume a high quality product, no matter what it is, it'll probably be better or safer for you. So in general, HHC is safe as long as you are purchasing products from a reputable, quality, and consistent brand. You want to make sure that their packaging has a QR code where it takes you to a certificate of analysis or a COA to make sure that what they say is in the product is actually in the product. You want to make sure the packaging looks nice. You want to make sure there's not typos. If a company or brand is not willing to spend the extra time to really define what their brand is, build some nice packaging, build a nice website, the reality is they're probably not spending very much time or energy on the quality of their products either. Now, occasionally someone will have a mistake. You'll see a small little typo. It's happened to us. So a small little typo is not the end of the world. But for instance, if you're buying a 1 gram cartridge and on the box it says 2,000 milligrams of Delta 8, that is simply just not possible. A 1 gram cartridge holds 1,000 milligrams. It's impossible to put 2,000 milligrams in a 1 gram cartridge. So if you see products on the shelf that the packaging don't match what the product is, stay away from them. If they don't even know the difference between a 2,000 milligram and 1,000 milligram cart, they most likely don't know the difference between HHC, Delta 8, cannabis. They probably don't care about the quality at all. So for the most part, yes, HHC is safe. Just make sure you're purchasing from a reputable company. We own and manufacture and distribute the brand Baked. We were actually the world's first HHC brand. So if you want to try out some amazing HHC today, head over to bakedhhc.com. I've got a discount code for you as well at checkout for 20% off. Enter in discount code SAFEHHC, and that discount will apply to your cart. If you have any questions about HHC, Delta 8, cannabis, whatever it is, please let us know. We are DistroMike, the educational hub for everything CBD, vape, and more. Thanks for tuning in. We'll talk to you next time.